Okay, friends, thought I'd do a results video of the ICO Gold Rush passive income system. So this is my week 4. Now, yesterday I did a post, so if the plan doesn't change, if the plan doesn't work, change the plan but never the goal. So I think I didn't really stuff up. I'm going to explain. It's been let out of the bag what it is now. So the passive earning system is masternodes. That's what we're playing with. If you know anything about masternodes, very hard to get into. If you try to do it yourself, you can have all the money in the world, but if you don't know how to put it together, you got no chance. Okay, so we have the privileged opportunity to be able to put masternodes together with our ICO Gold Rush education suite. So what I've done, so masternodes, pretty much what you're doing is we're converting from BTC, we're buying a different coin or an upgrade as we call it, and then we're making them coins work for us, okay? And then what happens is we rewarded back through that coin, and then it's up to us then, depending on the market too, if you want to transfer that coin back to Bitcoin, okay? So that's how it works. So you get weekly rewards. So what I initially did, I did the 450 investment 4 weeks ago. The first week returned the 70, the second week returned $90. Third week is about 70, and this week's only been about 55 at the moment. Okay, so because obviously the coin's going a bit down, so it's just a matter of you got to find that sweet spot where you want to convert it back to Bitcoin. So what I did, I did jump into another upgrade last week and the week before, so it's the same one, but I went into it twice. Now this is a longer term coin or upgrade. Okay, so this one doesn't pay out as much. My original coin from the 450, that returned me 145 coins last night or yesterday. But like I said, now it's just a matter of picking the right time. I can either hold it or pick the right time to sell it back on exchange and back to BTC. So that's how that works. But the second one I was saying, so that's a longer term coin. So it's obviously a coin costs a bit more to jump into. But it pays out less. So I only received 2 coins for that as a reward for this week. Okay, so you might think, oh, that's shit, but like I said, the coin's a lot higher than the other coin by miles. Okay, so it's like about sugar. It's about 50 times more. No, it's not right. That's not right. Anyway, it's about at least 40 times more for the second coin. Okay, so at the moment, so I'm only in 2 coins. So I've got a faster paying one, and I've got a slower paying one. So the slower one is obviously costs more, is more stable, because with the masternodes you can get coins that are faster paying, but they're less stable. Okay, and the longer term ones, they're obviously more stable. So like a Dash is the perfect example. It costs you a lot to get into a Dash masternode. It's up there in the 100,000s. Okay, to get a full node yourself, but it pays less, right? But obviously that coin's worth a lot. Dash is worth a lot. So obviously you can see what I'm trying to explain there. So this week we've got 2 on offer again. We got a slower coin again. So it's a matter of if you jump back in, I can jump into that. So that's a longer term goal for that one. And obviously we've got a faster coin, so you can jump into that one. So that'll be like my first coin I jumped into the first week. It'll pay out a bit more rewards, but obviously the coin's less. But I will say it is more than the first coin I originally went into. Okay, so how can I say it? So the reason I jumped into the longer term one last week was because I've seen the potential in that coin. Okay, now I know that it's a stable coin. I know it's not going to return as much, but I know that coin, I got it for about $8, that coin. Now I know in the past, at the all-time high when crypto was up there, it did reach $80 a coin. So my goal is hopefully, I mean, it might not get to $80 a coin again. It could. We just don't know. That's the risk you're taking. There's always risk with everything we do with masternodes. So there's no guaranteed returns, but it is faster than mining. Okay, that's all I'm going to say. The returns are better than mining. And we get paid each Monday. Okay, so if you love getting paid on, if you'd love to get paid on a Monday, this is definitely, the deal for you. All right. So that's my results this week. My plan this week, I'm probably going into the faster coin this week, so I want to up my weekly return. Okay, so that's my plan. I might chuck a little bit into the slower one, so then I'll have 2 slower coins, 2 faster coins. That's the plan for me, or the strategy for me at the moment. Yesterday when I first seen it, when I wrote that post, I was a bit, oh, have I done something wrong here? But when I broke it down and realised, no, it's more a longer term coin anyway, so it's going to return less that week. Definitely significantly less than the faster coin. But I'm looking at the long term picture. Even if that coin goes from $8, even if it gets to the $20 mark, right? I'm still, it's a double win. Okay, so I'm earning at the same time every week of that coin, and depending if I don't sell it, I'm not going to sell it. I'm actually going to build that coin, and I'm anticipating that it can get back up. If it can get back up even to $50 eventually or whatever. You got to remember that the initial investment you put in, so that $4.50 in that first coin I did from week 1, I've still got that no matter what. That's still in the system, okay? So if I want to pull out of that masternode, I can give a day or two's notice and pull that initial amount back out, okay? Yeah, but then it depends on that price of that coin at that stage. I'm pretty sure I'm roughly about the same. The coin's roughly at the same amount at the moment that I bought it into. So if I pulled that out now, I've also got all those rewards I've already earned, plus I've got the initial investment, okay? So it's not like mining where you're buying terahash and you lost that initial investment, right? But obviously you're getting your return every day, but it takes like maybe 300 days to get that return, okay? And you can't pull that initial investment back out. With masternode, you can pull the initial investment back out whenever you wish, but bear in mind, once you do that, you stop earning rewards from that coin completely, okay? So that's where we're at with it. And yeah, so like I said, that's my plan. So I'm going to go into a bit of both. So I'm diversifying, okay? So I'm only in 2 coins. There's a lot of people that are in our core, they're up to like 8 coins, okay? So they start up from the word go. I've actually jumped a couple of coins. That just comes down to personal choice. You're obviously in this core, in our suite, education suite, you're learning everything, like how to break down a coin for your ICO part. But what you do, you bring that knowledge into the masternode side of it, and you're doing your same due diligence on the masternodes that you are on a ICO, okay? So you can pick apart if you think it's a good one or not. Obviously, the faster returning coins is more risk. It could go good for 5 or 6 weeks, and then it could just go down a bit. It also depends on the market too, so you just gotta. There's a lot of variables, okay? But we teach everything in the passive income system, which is obviously included into ICO Gold Rush, okay? So it's the only way to get into it. Eventually, this will get saturated. There will be, like Bitcoin mining. The best time being Bitcoin mining was 1.5 years ago when no one knew nothing about it. And now everyone's just flocked to it. All the make money online industries come in, flock to it. The rewards are less. Obviously, Bitcoin's less, so that's obviously affecting it as well. Difficulty rates, etc. Masternodes will be the same. There will be, mark my words, there will be scam ones coming out left, right, and center. The boys that we've got that do our passive income, or do the masternode side of it, they're pretty good at choosing. I think there's only been maybe one that might have gone down a little, but that's the idea of diversifying. You want to have at least, you want to try. The plan is to try and get in as many as you can. Obviously, for an example, if you want to get into like 10 coins, paying you every week, okay? But if one does go down, you've got the other 9 to back you up, okay? So that's the easiest way I can say it. I just want to be upfront with you. That's just the way it is. So obviously my payout's down a little bit this week, which is all right. In regards to that, so my initial 450, I'm up to about nearly 300, okay, back in rewards. Plus, I've still got the original 450 there, okay. So I could pull that 450 out now, stop earning for that coin completely, and it'd still be about 300 up on that coin, okay. So that's how that works. But I'm not doing that. I'm leaving it in there. And now I've added the slow one, like I said, the longer term coin, which I'm just I'm just building that coin up, anticipating that it's going to go up. So just like you're holding a coin if you've bought off an exchange, okay? And then this week the plan is to jump into another faster one and another slower one, okay? Another more stable one. So that's what I've got for you today, guys. now that I've been able to let it, I'm going to let it out anyway. So that's what it is. We're in masternodes. If you're interested, hit me up. Always available on Messenger, or I've had people ring me. So yeah. All right, guys. Have a good day, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye for now.